Please write it in the comments. I want to see who's a real one here.
The
Bling line.
Bling bling. Bling bling.
Bling line, hello. Talita speaking.
Bling bling.
Bling line, hello. Talita speaking.
Bling bling.
Oh.
Press to talk.
I
Press to talk.
Sorry about that. Bling line, hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Good, thank you.
I've got some news for you.
Yes.
This is my last day on the job today.
Aibo, what does that even mean?
I got a new job.
You got a new job?
Yes, and a promotion. I'm getting much more money and I'm moving across the country.
Okay, can you take the phone with you?
No, I can't because this phone belongs to this job.
Okay, can we get you another SIM card so that we can still contact with you? You know when people leave a job, because then what they'll do is they'll say, hi guys, it is with great. No, Daddy, I announced that I am resigned. But then, please get in touch with me on my personal email.
Oh, hey.
Are you not doing that?
No, unfortunately, I'm not allowed to. Company policy.
Okay, that's fine then. Which company you're going to, we'll start using them. We're only really at this company because of you. You do know that, right?
Okay, I'll be sure to send you a message and let you know all the details.
It's fine. Can you give me your personal number now? Not just in case you forget. Then I can't get a hold of you.
I won't forget. I promise you. I'm doing it right now.
Okay. Oh.
No, that's the worst thing. When someone insists on getting your number and you like saying all the nice things to be polite.
Okay. Oh. 07. 08.
Then and you're like, okay, you're just gonna put the last numbers, the wrong one. Then I'll just look for Nell.
And look for mortuary.
No, it's for Nell just so that you can have my auntie.
Who teaches the creeps these things? Like, who
No
teaches
one teaches
the
them.
creeps?
It's in their creep minds. It's in their creep minds.
There's
to be
no,
creepy. You're not just
no.
No one teaches you to be creepy. You're just creepy.
Nah, B.
Yes.
Nah, yeah, I get it in terms of how you behave, ne? But not the things you say. Sisuka somewhere on this.
Isuka enhloko apha kuwe.
Nanga.
Welcome to Bling Line, ladies and gentlemen. It's always chaos.
Yeah, welcome to it, guys. And Mama Papa is Peter number. Chingo ngathi uqhelile ucela inamba ndiyamzama yena u10 iyazama la.
Uma papa yinja yakho.
Baby girl. Talita, stop it.
Okay.
Jeez.
Welcome to Bling Line, guys. If it's your first time here, this is the show that is for you, by you. You guys send us the comments on our previous Siblings Rivalry episode, and we read them and talk about them.
Absolutely. This show is the show for you. And we can actually do this in person if you guys would like. And that's on the 25th of October, Spotify live sessions, where we'll be at Victoria Yard.
Recording a live session. And that by far is my favorite moments, when we are actually able to have you guys in the room and we're able to, feed off your energy, and you're able to feed off our energy, and, So if you want to participate, come and feed us your energy and us feed you ours. Go to cricket.co.za and get your tickets.
Absolutely. Or you can go on our Instagram. You will find the link in the bio. Just click on the links in the bio and you'll see it right there, and you can go directly there and you can buy the tickets. Not only for yourself, but for you and those around you that you chill with, hang around with, love, and love each other. Even if you are looking on going on a date and you want it to be stress-free, the focus is not completely going to be on you. Unless you say out, then the focus is going to be on you. But if you are just there to enjoy, this is also a time to take someone out to something.
Not laa nto yoba siyohlekiswa the comedian. Something different.
You understand? Are your movie, are your dinner, it's not going to dig into your pockets too deep as well. And it's going to be something that nice, feels like home. So think about it. Take a second. Ding.
Matter of fact. You should take Let's get into it, bro.
Mavulas Ari. I'm watching from work, but I promise I'm not stealing time, Tamzupela. I'm multitasking. I like that. Ingathi sengifumani invites as blings to the wedding of the century. Yo, ngathi singafumani invites as blings to the wedding of the century.
That's a lot.
Yeah, Glenn, this century. Umamzubela feels so surreal. Utamzubiri is a real grown-up. Grown up. Love you guys. Don't eat droge, but you know ni lachasayo.
Don't think I see stream wedding yakho fan live
Stream me. Ewe stream isingena ngechweba. Abantu bayithethe run. Nothing hectic.
No, or we can just
cover their expenses.
Or we can stream them to the members.
Yeah. Yeah. But joining members is 2 million. Open your phone.
That would
be the reveal of Mom's Ubela.
True.
The grand reveal.
Yeah.
Wow. Yo, guys, I need to know invites because it's tricky. Abebe yile kwi celebration.
Don't think my
They have experienced something. And abafuna uthenga amatikiti. Anyways. Let's go laugh. But yeah, thank you very much. Yeah, look, I mean, it's become apparent that I am a real grown-up. I don't know, it's pretty weird for me too. But here we are in it.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Thanks, Mavulas. Rita Zokuva says, the guy from London is probably
Absolutely.
Oh, is that the guy we were talking about?
Nandon, your podcast. What? Yeah, London. Yeah, London in aura, in life. Kuta iteta in, London iteta UK. Sorry, it starts with an S and it's got a G and an E. But that's what apparently the guys in the UK speak.
Oh.
Like English, yeah. Uteta la wenge, accent.
Oh.
Oh man, he is legit one of my favorite TikTokers.
I'm gonna go look for him.
Yeah. Oh, I'll show you. Oh, yeah. That's no one.
All right, Rita. Goes.
Itumele nguti yo. Why I have been pushing like comment ifundle. Itumele nguti. This was such a hilarious episode, you guys. Dare I say my favorite yet? Yo.
You know what? It was a good episode.
Really?
Yeah. It really, really was. I watched it and I was like, that was fire. We were on fire, bruh.
Ne? Shout out to Lambda.
So if whoever... questions. You got to ask 3 questions. But the preamble was amazing. It was like, this is the example of Babes funa mhlambi siya ku DStv sithi can isifake nathi fonini. That would be the example. Yeah.
Okay. So like, was it like head and shoulders above what we...
Not head and shoulders, but there was just like such a... I think we were just both in really good spirits. And it showed.
Vibe.
It was vibey.
Tangible vibe.
And if somebody had to be like, Kabubukela Babantu, what are they about? That would be a great example of what we're about.
Do you think it had anything to do with the fact that we went back to the essence of the show?
Which was?
We were talking about growing up and no.
I don't know. I mean,
just something to think about.
Yeah, I mean, we've had great episodes, right? That one just sticks out for some reason. Because I also remember how I was feeling while it was happening. I was feeling like, this is good while it was happening.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Yo, I just feelings. I never feel anything while it's happening. Do you know that?
Really?
Yeah, it's only, I think on the lives where I really feel like, I feel alive. Celine Dion.
Read the rest of Itumeleng's comments.
Okay, this was a hilarious episode, you guys. Dare I say my favorite yet? Such light but genuine chats, which is why I fell in love with the podcast in the first place. The diary chat came full circle as it has been referenced here and there over the past episodes, where I keeled over with laughter. Even through the raucous laughter, I learned so much about positive self-talk in the mirror. The fun and games episodes are slowly dethroning Bling Line as my favorite.
Don't say that.
Itumeleng.
Wow.
Guys, also, why does there need to be like a podium?
A favorite, yes. A winner. Guys, no. There's no, we are all winners.
Yeah, well, kaloku you must remember, but as a show, Bling Line, this, that, like ngabantwana balapha. You understand? Asinika sithini? Sibathande ngokulinganayo. Uyayibona yo? That's okay, man. Ngosi, man, thanks for this comment, Itumeleng.
Thank you, Itumeleng. That warmed my heart.
Oh, yeah. That's a really, really great comment.
Uti Utseho. Oh, the sis-in-law. I legit lost respect for my ex-in-laws because of her.
My ex-in-laws. Okay.
Because I in-laws anymore.
Okay.
She would badmouth me to whomever would listen. I tried my hardest to be nice, but knowing the things she said behind my back was heartbreaking. I told the bro, now ex-spouse, that I didn't appreciate what she was doing, but was told she's like that and she's young. Mind you, she's just a year younger. I tried my hardest to be a good sister-in-law to my brother's wife, as I don't want her to experience what I did. Oh, ish. That's tough.
That's so tough.
But also, what a weak response though from your ex-partner.
Umyeke. Mangayekwa man. Mna yifan ka uma kangayekwa.
Makangayekwa chum.
Man said this about me. Kambize zapha. Simbuze. Buddha, uyithethile lewe. Does that make me confrontational?
No. It makes you solution driven.
No.
Yes, ufuna solution. Masenziphelayo, because this is the thing. People like to leave things in the air, which is annoying. Because now you can leave this in the air for 10 years. That's crazy work. Ben Peteka Kagbi for 10 years. Oh, wow.
Hey, but yeah, what? So what does this mean? Does this mean, bro, une responsibility? Yeah,
100%.
A responsibility of not.
Oh, kuzu sister wakhe. Because he's not saying, oh no, she's wrong. He's saying she's just like that.
Yeah. I'm telling.
Oh.
And getting like. And the problem also, we must also think as abantu who like to excuse the behavior as your siblings say to nabantu batandai, we must also think that we are not doing them any favors in the hard world. In the world out there, sizamkhaba usister wakho thina. Well, usister bethu bazamkhaba usister wakho. Sorry.
Okay.
You're sorry. Uzawukhatshwa usister. Uzawukhabakala usister wakho. Because other girls won't take card.
Yes, because we don't know her. We don't know about her. So you're literally doing that person no favors because the real world doesn't care about, oh, you're young, or you're like that. No. That's the end of the story.
Yeah.
From Kawatin.
Yeah. So, yeah, thank you for that.
The way I laughed at Talita's diary being a newspaper.
Pepandaba. Come on, my weight. Privately, guys. We never did it as like a family activity. Everyone read it in their own time. For now, confirmed dimne time.
lady.
Oh, is it?
Yes.
Okay, confirmed, yeah. But we never read it together. No, that's wrong.
I'm sure your old lady was like, I found it, then I a good time out. Yeah, because I don't think good time I was trying to look for my diary.
I don't know how
It was a
happened.
party. She was thinking about staying
I
alive.
named it lost. Mama, you know any crash? Uyibona bilona leyo. Kanye, you know any French kiss?
I also relate with Talita. I'm hard to get close with, but I'm friends with a lot of people. Make friends so easy, but I'm not close to them. I also value my space a lot.
What is that? You know any leyo, guys? Can you cousin? The friends as
Not all your friends can be your bosom buddies, bro.
See
All of
friends na ezo. Can't it bosom party? Are those friends
What are these levels?
of friendship?
Mm.
Just like cookie level, your boyfriend. The level, your fro. Are you married? Kuta, it's not that serious. Are you married? It's not serious. It's a
That's the
video I'm
little
gonna show you
bit.
guys. Are you married? Yeah, it's in Soko. Amira. Yo, it's the funny video. Hi, thinking ukuthi bayamthanda ekhaya. Manje ke.
You brought her there.
Wabe se unginika nengane. Hey, asisalali nasekamereni eyodwa.
You're a victim here.
Kahle kahle mase sicabanga maybe uyangithakatha.
You're gonna find all the excuses in the world. Got to uhleli in a marriage. Uske wanika ingane.
Are there levels to friendships?
Yes, there's definitely levels to friendship.
Why? Why would we want to, as human beings, complicate our lives that much? Because the reason why in this situation there's no levels to boyfriend, girlfriend, there's no level to husband, wife. Why must be levels to friendship? Because we don't want to tell people the truth. Because we want to feel like we have friends. Also, another thing.
Hey, what's else? Who jomo usifuna?
Yo, asizithandi. Oh, asithanda itomi.
Oh, if there's one thing I have in a black household, it's trophy.
Damn, abazali bethu abaphambenanga nje babazali bena chomi ngayi-1 ngayi-2 ngayi-3 baphambenanga abazali.
Yeah, but that happens just the older you get. I think it's a natural process.
So we should actually look
So
deeper into that.
as a teenager.
Such a kaloku. Maybe in your 20s, 30s.
By doing what? By
By
calling.
not calling everyone your friend. Let's start there.
I just think it's a natural progression of life to have less friends. So you don't have to start a culling process in your 20s when it's not, you don't feel it's necessary.
It's not a, okay, what is a natural progression?
Where you see things for what they are naturally. And go, oh, atinitile. And I don't need this anymore. This doesn't serve me anymore.
Yes, but that's a result of your decision making. That's not a natural progress.
It
It's
is.
the thing, because the things have always been there.
Yes.
It's just that now,
you realizing
what you want.
what you want or what you need from certain situations. And sometimes those things are important to you at a certain time and then they stop being important to you.
Like validation.
Mm.
Having 30 people at your 30th birthday.
Mm-hmm. Then now you're just like, I don't care.
Not everything
It's
that you
still-
see as important is somewhere. Not young in the isa endaweni.
But this is what I'm saying. What I'm saying is then you naturally make those decisions.
It's not natural.
This doesn't serve me anymore.
It's natural. Because we've got 60-year-olds
True.
that have no one to show up for them.
True.
Meaning that they have no friends. Simply because asifuna ukuthi we don't have friends.
Yeah.
Okanye utsho mzamzi ndathi. Okanye utsho mzamzi before. You must always please people.
Mm.
So that you've got people to show up for you. Who never show up for you, by the way.
Yeah. But
As
it also
Kala,
speaks to a
but they'll show up for you
completely
to the party and be the first to complain. Wow, phika umzupela wasimema qoba sibhatalisa iplate. Plate bityiwa ngubani? Awuzanga nayo negift. Usikwilela ba ubhatele iplate yokutya ku-odile wena.
Thanks, Linky, when you do.
Crutch. Uzu uti dear. Uzu uti dear future child. I will read your diary.
Good luck. Do kids even write in diaries
Guys,
anymore?
what is the reason behind a diary? An adult not being allowed to read a child's diary. That's such a blank stare.
I can't believe you just asked
No,
that.
this is why people don't feel free to ask questions.
No, wait. Kaloku namda process.
There's no such thing such as a stupid question.
I never said it was a stupid question. I just couldn't believe you asked it.
Okay.
Because it's my private thoughts that I'm putting on paper. It's my private thoughts that I'm putting on paper. Ufuna ntoni wena?
Una 8. Una private thoughts.
Wefondini. Because a diary is also a way to put your thoughts on paper, put them out of your mind and be able to reflect on them. It's a different space than in your head.
Okay, so private thoughts.
Mm.
Like what?
Well, you tell me. You read my diary
today, and I felt my heart beating. What is there to hide from your parents with that? Maybe they can guide you.
Oh, Fonini.
Ne? You don't.
Guide you with what?
There's so many things. Then Tawa called me into a corner and he touched me.
Well, then this also depends.
Dave.
Wait, this depends on the kind of relationship that you have with your parent. Has your parent made you feel safe enough to be able to tell you these things? Because bakona bantwana bababalisalayo abazali babo, and that's only because they feel safe. The safe spaces have been created for them to be able to babathethe ezo zinto. Kukho umama ozothi andisoze ndithethe ngamakhwenkwe nomntanam. Next!
But ke uzu, ndiyavumelana nawe nawe. But ke, with every right you have of reading a diary, there is a responsibility nje umadlam. But also, kubhala into ezisitoko diary.
Yeah, so what, bro? Those things are gonna be in that person's head anyway. Whether it was balila or
So
not.
might as well see them so that we can sort them out.
Create the safe space, and then I will tell you. I will come home and say, you know what happened today, mommy, on the bus? Ubani, Wati, and then I was like, oh, I was so embarrassed because I was like, I think I like him. If you've created that safe space, then those things will come to you.
Ne?
But about strict into hectic, I'm not gonna tell you nothing.
Uzamanu wami trying girls.
Uyayiva.
Usithini. Ungathethe nami.
Ewe.
Ufuna usiwe ndime rehab. Okay.
Okay, thanks Uzu for
Kubani.
that. I don't know if I'm saying thanks for that actually,
Uzu, if ever ndinganabantwana ndikweli lakho mna. I just feel like you can save a lot. You can save a lot. You can save a lot of drama and heartache and hurt. I don't know, man. By reading it there.
You can save a lot of drama and hurt by making a safe space for your child to talk to you.
Okay.
Jeepers creepers. I did see where Uti. My legs was my favorite nickname. Definitely
My
not
legs. It sounds like a cereal. Hey, in bowl of my legs. Oh, man, so my legs. Come on, this.
The only difference is the word F because then it would be flakes.
Yeah, I think that's right.
Definitely not my favorite, that's for sure. And also, Likamala Sakayen, Funa is street name. Thanks, Andy Siwe. I appreciate that you appreciate it.
Can you see Mapalala Uti, the whole spin the bottle darky comment? I've always wanted to ask, in the least controversial way possible, I think I should read some of those comments before I read them. Do you think women care less about physical appearance and more about the heart? So that's why you'll find more interracial couples being a black man and a white woman versus the other.
That speaks to white men.
Wait. Wait, can I unpack a question? Do you think women care less about physical appearance and more about the heart? So that's why you'll find more interracial couples being a black man and a white woman versus the other way around, black woman with a white man.
No, I think that speaks more to white men
Uba.
and what their interpretation of what being with a black woman is.
So what is the thing is there's more black men with white women
Yeah.
versus the other way around.
Yeah. So white women care less about what it looks like in their communities.
Oh,
Than
so
what
then
white
what?
men do.
That's speaking to the fact that women care less about what it looks like in life in general than men do. Woo! That's an interesting take. Because I don't know. In my head, I would imagine that everyone is impressionable, men and women.
Sure.
They are equally impressionable, and they equally care. Uba, Kutwan. I mean, come on, bro.
Oh, Bagutwani.
Yeah, about what people have to say, what people think about particular thing. When it comes to men and women, we care the same. In fact, men care fair.
More.
Yes. Yeah. Correct. How many women can afford a Porsche but are not driving one? Versus how many men? The second you can get a Porsche. Oh.
On it.
Yo. There. Yes. Ah, that's so crazy. Yeah, I think women care less.
Yeah. For sure.
Women care less.
Yeah.
But also, white women care even less. Because it's I don't know if I'm really relevant, this example. It's like a person okhule enemali nomuntu okhule engenamali. The person okhule enemali cares less than lo ukhule engenamali kowabo. Yo hayi ukhule, whoa, must keep up with the Kardashian. What, and they end up dating them. Kardashian. Manje baminca amakhadi. So yes, I agree.
Oh, hey, welcome. You really wanted to kuba this whole thing.
Absolutely agree.
100%, dude.
We've been having it. So we care less.
Of course. Why would we care?
Yes, and the more options you have, the less you care. Fair. Oh, hundreds. So then, you care. So why you never dated a white guy?
I have.
This is why, ladies and gentlemen, don't feel so free around your siblings that you ask anything. Here I am now.
Okay.
Uyanelisa unonga yena uthini?
Uthi ekhaya singamantombazana amathathu. Sizalwa nebrother yethu enye. When he got married, we knew that we will never compete nomkakhe. Umfazi kabhuti yena. Thina singamadodakazi wakhe.
Sure.
We get along, nomkabhuti bethuna, we gained a sister in her. She's Tswana, xa ebuzwa pha emakhaya uba ungumamni isiduko sakhe uthi ungumamtolo naye. Bambuzelani lo.
The closeness of Mamtolo. Oh, that's cute.
That's super cute.
That's really, really cute.
And I can imagine how intimidating it could have been for her walking into a family knowing that my husband has 3 sisters.
I clean galo phone shaking in your boats.
Yeah, bro. You're just like
especially if it was a famous bar. She didn't have sisters.
Exactly.
Wow.
Because his sisters nyani ziyakwazi
Oh, that's so cute as well.
That is cute.
And I feel like all of you guys actually played a role in that.
Oh, of course.
In making it that kind of situations where wongumdu, you know, nani nim acceptile naye beshoba u accepted akekho gezayo fortunately njalo njalo.
And so on and so forth.
Yes.
Well done. Keep it
But
going.
then about sana kuta sweet. Ngadi poet. You know?
Hey, Bichomi.
Uthongile.
Atika kujongi.
Abakho sweet then.
I don't know.
Oh, okay.
Your wife is sweet.
Okay.
So I can't speak for the whole of the Tswana nation.
Yeah, no, that's what I've heard. A lot of comments, Baba Sweet. Bina Esihle. Hi siblings, I loved the part about husbands or wives relationships. But what happens when now it's my brother's wife? She's the one trying to separate him from siblings. What does that even mean? And now it's difficult to address it. Lapo, it feels like you're losing your brother while he's still alive, and it affects your children later on. Oh, why? Yona, it's a difficult topic. Yona. Fair game. And I think here I take the stance that we often take on these difficult topics. Yeah, avoiding a difficult topic. And when I say avoiding, I mean not actually talking about it. Waiting to experience it in order to try and figure out. For me, I feel like sometimes it's more hurtful than it is beneficial. So it definitely is a thing of needing to talk about it. And it sounds weird. It sounds very weird to be like, let's talk about expectation. No booty. No booty. Because also there's a bit of a
triangle.
A triangle. Because thetha why ungenokwazi uyithetha lento ufuna uyithetha phambi komfazi kabhuti.
Why must you have a secret conversation?
Correct.
Because what are you hiding?
Yes.
And this involves all of us. Yes. All the time.
100%.
Yeah.
So I think a lot is left behind in us having those separate conversations, especially when there's 3 of us or 4 of us or 5 of us involved. I don't think it hurts to get 5 people in a room. And hear about, okay, Chance, nitini. What do you think? What do you expect? And obviously, I think tact in starting those conversations. Because you'll find, a lot of the time, it's just a matter of misunderstanding each other, misalignment. And it's something that could be fixed. We're just so scared to talk about it. Because in our heads, we feel like the worst will happen. We prepare for the worst, but then we never really go and find out about what's happening.
No.
And that puts us in a very tricky position. It is a difficult topic. But like most difficult topics and most difficult conversations that you've probably had, Esihle, it's been a matter of, it's more difficult to not have the chat than it is to actually have the chat.
Literally.
Because when you're in the middle of the chat, you're just like, at the end you're just like, that wasn't so bad.
Yeah, exactly.
Sure, it's not going to happen always with all your conversating corners. That was bad. Because your life is now, you know what I mean?
And we walk amongst them.
Yeah, we walk amongst them, but we're not doing ourselves any favor by avoiding.
For sure.
Yeah, absolutely.
Thank you for that, Albino. Utu Isenati Ingosi. With the nickname thing, Putsuko always sounds like Uti Talita. But Tali sounds nice for you, sis Tali. Thank you. With the word of the day on the board, I would not just say resentment, but uncommunicated expectations lead to premeditated disappointment.
Okay.
Yeah. What was the word?
Uncommunicated expectations lead to premeditated resentments.
Oh, I see. I feel like it's the disappointment that will then lead to resentment.
Yeah.
I don't know. Just my thoughts. Good thoughts. Great episode, Big Sister and Big Bro. No problem, Mr. Naki.
You know what it is?
That's a good one.
That is a good
well
one.
thought through.
Correct, because and I like that it's it kind of like, for me, it's a process, right? Because I feel like you don't just fall out at resentment. Resentment sits
at the end.
Iqale bakhono disappointment, bakhono hate, bakhono all these feelings that you feel unseen, don't resentment. Because resentment is caused by those feelings. And you feeling those feelings over extended periods.
For sure.
So I agree with that 100%. For me, it's this thing took it up, up, and yes, there's plenty. Because then with your uncommunicated expectations, I mean, then we can go into that. What does that look like? Where's the starting point? Where's the end point? You know? So yeah, very well put. Thank you for that, Isenati. Nangu yonela wethiye. Uthi nangu yonela. Okay, chance yami ngoku. Uthetha ukuthini ugquzu. Maqhazo, mandebe bhokhwe. What? The boys wouldn't let us finish this. I feel like Tukil. I hope just a booster or a Buddha. I hope he can be uzayiphendula ke lento. Okay, so uthetha ntoni uthetha ukuthini ugquzu maqhazo mandebe bhokhwe. Athi utyuza umavutheli ketile. Jeepers. No. Haven't heard this in a while, and it doesn't end with ketile. There's a part that says something like some qata ngomqolo webhokhwe. Something that rhymes with that. Ha, damn it. What is this? Come on, remember
Semtata.
Okay. Mhlawumbe nansi weekend sometimes asibona ichomi zikatata elokishini.
Kaloku kubuza wena because you seem like you're the expert. Nguwabusifundisa manje noma ingane emchivela ithi
aluyiva mna yonela.
Asiyazi, if you guys know, please let us know.
No, kufana Tuesday.
Can you explain how Tuesday though? He's just like, I've heard this. Something about a vitiliketile.
Yeah, Eva. Talking about that, Tuesday for nini. Festive sisusa nini kaloku. Festive uvulwa nguwe phone na beGauteng. Kawenza kaloku Buddha. Ifestive ivulwa nguTuesday for
wait a minute. Ivulwa nguTuesday.
Last year how ivula?
I don't know. Why ivula senzani?
Ufuna uzophathisa ngakho phone. Kuvele kuthi pha gquzu maqhazo mandebe bhokhwe imvuthe liketile. Oh, jeepers.
Sebangaye ke chomi.
I feel like that's what you would say umuntu lathetha lento. Jeepers. Bana nawe. Hayi nela dog ndiyazi.
Siyazi mchana but we will find out for you. Ujonge apha kwi comments.
Big facts.
Nayo.
Let's go.
Uthi Sibongile Nobebe.
Ukhulele OVP.
I remember the OVP gang.
Sister Kabuntu.
Oh. You would pass by them. Abacelele 2 rand. Akokwanto yoyikisayo nabo because they were neighbors. Dazux is right. They were whack shit. How little was she though?
Huh?
How little was she?
She was like, yebona awunabuzazi emnaneni omncane. Ubona abantu abawhack. Ubona OVB squad for you.
No one from the OVB squad came to come and say, yeah, it was me. Sasidume ngento ethile.
Ingxaki bebengafuna uvela bona ubona baba bedlala ipool betokola. Igang yotokola ifoni.
In public phone. Thanks, Bongile, for also just giving Zuko's story a stamp on.
Yeah, good on the How do you feel about that?
Stories always sound unbelievable.
Like I read probably 2 or 3 comments, and I remember, man, ndisakhula neetshomi zam osiboshi. They said, yeah, Mzubela. Yo, my child. And I'm like, guys.
I just think it's the manner in which you tell your story.
Okay. Otherwise, condemn you na inyani.
Ewe.
Nivile githethe Rotman yamuta lita. Madama President Uti, I feel like Lita as well when it comes to being close, because I believe no one can protect my feelings more than I can, and it makes it difficult for me to have deep friendships as well, because I do not share myself with them, because I know I can handle my feeling. Let me carry yours. Tanoyikisela mna guys, yes? Tanoyikisela ninabantu who believe that no one can protect your feelings more than you. Because sometimes you're not protecting your feelings. I think you are. Hayi namhlanje. Hayi ndithanda indlela ondijonga ngayo. Hayi namhlanje.
I'm looking at you with a blank expression.
It's like a saying that says your brain is an incredible place, but it's really bad at keeping. Just like it is, your brain is an incredible instrument. But when it comes to you growing,
it can lead you down weird paths.
Yes,
yeah.
Correct. So that for me becomes that thing. At the end of the day, sometimes we are not the best custodians for certain things. Sure, they've got everything to do with user feelings as well. But what happens if they're wrong? Then okay,
you're feeling it wrong.
You're feeling it wrong. No, they hate me. No, we actually don't. Like, yes, pambanela. So, hey, Madam President, yeah.
Look, I'm saying nothing because I'm also yet to actually investigate that.
Yeah.
Why it's like that.
Yeah.
So,
yeah. No.
I have nothing further from my side at the moment.
Okay. I guess I'll hang out again.
Yeah, and nizovanga.
Private investigator Nima.
Iselati Nkosi says, with the nickname thing, Buzuko always oh wow. I read this one already, then I cut it again. I'm sorry. Can we go to the next one? Ngoko Elam says, sibling rivalry out of context, I personally need that love each other on the bling line. I'm always disappointed when I realize that it's not there. Please, Claire, kind regards, my Eli. Hey, my Eli. Is that your nickname?
Kuban my Eli.
Elam Fonin.
Oh, my Elsa. Oh, wow.
All right, cool. We'll definitely take that into consideration and we'll see.
We love each other when it's not there, P. We bling line.
As men, it's
and it's never been there.
Yeah, it's a papayas. I said, sharp, bye. See you later.
All right. Got you. My Ellie. The Smosh Babe 5. She is really morally upstanding. That I can agree with 100%.
That is such a wow. Fix your face.
Morally.
You said that. She's agreeing with you.
I 100% really. Oh, nabenzi moral upstanding nje, not really.
I think this is so interesting to me. I don't think of myself as morally upstanding, but I don't think of myself as not morally upstanding, you know? But for people to say that that's a thing, I'm like, wow, I'm not doing too shabbily then.
Okay. So, Zamba. Awunayo nenjani. Lo muntu phambi kwethu uyambona Bola Hard nxiba iLouis V no. Kuwe mhlawumbe 300. Are you calling them? Yeah. Sorry, Budi.
Yeah.
Wow.
No, I really am.
Yeah. Yona nyathela letreni lokwaphilisa namapho kulo mall imini yonke. Kuba nabantu
Could never be me, bro.
Really? Because you're yika. What makes you morally upstanding?
Yes, because
uyibanjwa. Oh. So then are you morally upstanding?
100%.
But does
the reason matter?
Yes, it does, because now
the action, the outcome is a good one.
No, but babu ungazobanjwa then. Uzabalikenza.
No.
If there was no way you could get caught.
Kule party 300. Kwezinye party.
Party mhlambi Robbie Fertility.
Oh, boy. No,
it's
I'm
gonna
not
be
robbing.
Mamel, it's gonna be a clean job. No one is gonna get hurt. And I think what there's no chance buses are banned.
Wa acho manzukwazi. Wenunga?
There's No, you're not gonna do this. I'm not gonna let you do this. Sabulela boss no voucher.
Kutani uyilwa yinto wena.
Andilwa ntoni?
Morally upstanding.
Andilwi, the thanks. No, I'm just no, because I will believe it. Also, you don't believe it.
Yeah, because I don't walk around going, oh, when I'm making decisions, is this a moral decision to make? No.
But that's the thing. Immorals is not something that you think about.
No.
It's something a laugh going a default.
Yeah.
But I'm more interested in what makes you have morals.
The way I grew up.
No, but also Nama shouldn't be there because Oksala une morals. Ona Nam.
Okay, let's move to the one, Dave. Avenating West is watching this episode twice. First watched it on Spotify on Tuesday, big ups. But because I've enjoyed it so much, I had to repeat it. I've also started recruiting my friends to watch the podcast because I can't have them miss out on the joy I get when listening to you guys. I'm in the process of writing my honors thesis, and andifuna ungatsho uba le degree dedicate kuni because wow.
Excellent.
Hey, we'll take it. We're now doctors. Listening to the episode. Honorary tell leaders.
Honorary members.
Listening to the episodes late at night during my long hour experiments, I do science, made me feel less alone, Epsuku. I've also learned so much, especially in Njengomdu, who doesn't have older siblings. Ngosini Betuna, may the good Lord continue to shine on your lives. May you touch many more lives. Thank you. That's really dope. Why am I just crying? Like,
you learn Epsuku funding a science. Science in Ulamos. Hydrogen plus oxygen. H2 hydrogen molecules. One oxygen molecule gives you?
I don't know.
Water. H2O.
Oh. Okay.
Quite long as you're an immoral. I can't tell you that you swear me officially on the show. I waited 3 years for this moment. Morals, guys. That morals in others much.
You're so
Satana. Out bastali games belekani. Akbeleke kala. Akugqume ngebhayi. Nihamba senza zonke into senzayo. Abakubona abantu ukugqumi. Hayi! Umgqumile.
Ngume uSatan.
Nguwe uhamba noSatan umgqumile idlala igame yabelekana. Nihambe. Wena umvezi. Ayena okay hayi ngathi udiniwe igame yami ngokuyiza. Akukhwelisa emqola kugqume ngebhayi. Hamba. Alinde kuyoviwa igame ye-World Cup. Into elendawo le viewing place ekhoya apho William Nicole eCasino. Ndiyona ndawo apho kubukela kona ibhola mokugcwala. Hayi ayoma phambili. Aqhuba kutyhile.
Uvele ubelekwe kuSatan.
Vele wena ba ubelekwe. Kwekubelekile.
All right.
Inkosi yabe nathi. Inkosi kakhulu man. we receive.
Thank you, my darling.
And all the best with your science yako.
And we receive the honorary doctorate. Yo, tell you when you buy your doctorate.
Come on, your food Thank you for that. Much appreciated.
This is our
last but not least.
Mhm.
With DC got Uti, my elder sister kept a diary and it always got her into trouble. That experience made me avoid keeping one altogether. As I got older, I figured I'd write metaphorically. However, my younger sister caught on to my metaphors and ran with them. I have journaling trauma. After writing. And then she tagged who I think is a sister or sibling. Remember how we wondered why our elder sis thought those diary locks worked. Hiding it under her bed was supposed to be a secret stash. That's so cool. Having a bit of a laugh of what we thought growing up and what we experienced growing up.
Yeah, those locks were literally not a real thing.
Ne?
Was that diary?
It's a lock. Our eating the lock. No go eat with meaning la lock. And you have like it in the valley. Then you're like, oh no, that jump.
Sanufunda idayari zabantwana bakowethu.
Yeah, no, fair point, guys. Me, I can take it.
Also, why is your diary getting you into trouble? Because iyafundwa.
Bangapha abantu abasindileyo ngofundwa kwe-diary zabo. That's what I would like to know, guys.
Basinde ntwenini?
Whatever, bad relationship. What? Don't.
Nothing was that serious. That's bancinci fondini. No one's keeping a diary in their 20s.
Yeah. As metaphors, that's Steve.
Actually, I'd love to know. Apt, yes.
But shout out for that. I'm glad that we could also give a bit of a bond. I feel like a lot of people were able to have a
yeah, for sure. It's also like crazy to see how many people actually kept diaries.
Because other people are laughing about the fact that dear diary flows me. This is how we were taught to write in diaries. You understand?
Oh.
I hate mom. Don't negative feelings. This is how we were taught, but that's what a diary is for.
Exactly.
It's to write the secrets of makwengwe, nendo zobustoti, and how you feel about your parents when they shout at you, etc.
Okay. Thanks, guys, for joining us again for another amazing episode of The Bling Line. The Bling Line. We'll see you guys again next week as per usual.
You know what it is.
And don't forget to love each other, okay? Please write it in the comments. I want to see who's a real one here.
The Bling Line.